Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pancakes like Denny's. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a half teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, have 1 3/4 cups of milk, 2 large eggs, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract ready. Fresh ingredients are key for that perfect fluffy texture. Now let's create that perfect batter. First, in a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt. In a separate bowl, combine the milk, eggs, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Then gently pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir just until everything is combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing develops the gluten, making your pancakes less tender and fluffy. Cooking these pancakes to golden perfection is next. Preheat your griddle to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly grease it with butter or cooking spray. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake, leaving some space between them. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges look set. Then, carefully flip them and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown. Now for the best part, serving and enjoying your delicious, fluffy pancakes. Stack them high and top with your favorite accompaniments. Warm maple syrup, fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or even a sprinkle of powdered sugar are all fantastic choices. For an even fluffier result, let your batter rest for about 10 minutes before cooking. This allows the baking powder to activate fully. Enjoy your homemade Denny-style breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.